Welcome to Spring LIB.
This question deals with solution chemistry and how solutes dissolve in solvents. We're asked to compare some statements here and determine which gives the best representation of what's going on in solution chemistry. So the first choice says water is a good solvent because it's a strong acid and therefore can dissolve things well. This is a false statement. Water is certainly not a strong acid, and the acidic properties that water does have on a very minimal level really don't play into its ability to dissolve ionic substances well. So, um, completely false statement there about water's acidic properties in A. The second statement says water is a good solvent, especially for ionic substances, because hydrogens and oxygens in the water bear some partial positive charges. So this symbol represents a partial positive charge on the hydrogens, and this symbol represents a partial negative charge on the oxygens that comprise water. And this is a true statement. We know opposites attract, and ions have positive and negative charges as solutes. And so a positively charged cation can dissolve well in water because it can attract to the oxygens that have a partial negative charge. And the negatively charged anions that are part of a solute can dissolve well because they're going to be attracted to the partial positive charge on the hydrogen end of the water molecules. And that does make water a very effective solvent, especially for ionic substances or for polar substances as well. The final statement is also a false statement that says water is good at behaving as a solvent because we can easily break the bonds that occur between the hydrogens and oxygens in water. It's a completely false statement. We do not break any bonds between hydrogen and oxygen when a substance dissolves. And it's not easy either to break the hydrogen and oxygen bonds in water. We simply have an intact water molecule that again attracts to the ions that are part of the solute, but no bond breaking in water takes place um, in terms of between those hydrogen and oxygen atoms when anything dissolves to make an aqueous solution.